Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. That word is signed into Office and that your microphone and online services are enabled. Once done, open a blank document and place the cursor where you want text. Click Home Dictate microphone icon. If prompted, allow microphone permission. This lets Word stream audio to its speech service. Speak naturally, enunciate key names and punctuation, and watch live transcription. Make sure your internet connection is steady for cloud-based accuracy. Now you focus on control and formatting. Use built-in voice commands like new line, new paragraph, comma, period, or question mark to shape text. When you need edits, say select plus the word or phrase, then say delete or replace. That keeps your hands free. For lists and headings, say bullet or heading, then dictate the text. If you need different language models, change dictate language settings. Pause briefly before punctuation to reduce recognition errors, and keep dictation accurate. Finish by proofreading aloud while scanning for homophones, capitalization, and context errors that speech recognition misses. Once satisfied, use Find and Replace for quick global fixes and apply styles for a clean layout. If dictation stops or becomes inaccurate, turn dictate off and on or restart Word. Make sure background noise is minimal and your mic drivers are current. As one key troubleshooting tip, confirm microphone permissions under Windows privacy settings and Office.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.